Are you gonna chew gum while we're filming? Okay.
Stabilize.
Yeah. What's good, beautiful island people or non-island people? Basically, people. Everyone, what's up? You know, you guys are pretty awesome, and a lot of you guys leave us comments when you watch our videos, which we appreciate. Mucho apreciado. That's like the worst way to speak Spanish. Stop chewing the gum so fucking loud. And we wanted to read some of the comments because some of them are pretty hilarious, and
also appreciate show some love.
Yeah, connect with you guys. You know, conectar e connections nang kuda conectar e connections.
Stop talking.
Alright. We're gonna just start like at our first like actual big video because apparently no one wants to watch your Pokemon videos because you're too cool for that. As if all of you people didn't watch Pokemon. Every single one of you watch Pokemon. You wanna act as if you're too cool now for Charlie Frus 13 says Pimento is so direct and harsh and that he likes it. It's brutal, yeah. It's like douchey arm. A good Dutch buddy of mine, Casper, says like in Pimento, hey Daryl, what are amigo swa? So which means like you're my homie. He wrote it pretty good though, so maybe rub off on him.
This one girl said, Levi, share you. Awesome video, Curacao is the best. Yes, it is the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Neil says, ik breek mijn hoofd nog steeds over familiar. Which means he's still having trouble understanding familiar. Familiar is a hard one to explain because familiar is like when it's usually used in a negative connotation. When someone acts familiar, it's like they act as if you're really close with them or really good buddies when actually
they're not.
No. The one guy at a party who goes up to everyone and gives everyone like a big kiss and a hug. We're like, I've seen you once. Leave me alone.
We don't know each other.
Yeah, and they try to like get into your business or they have a conversation. They're all like, oh yeah, that's true. That guy totally. You don't know him. You don't know him, okay? Another person, Iante, also has trouble with familiar. I guess someone explained it pretty well. Styling with cat says, good job.
Yoya says, I want more. You will
get more. Like
lot more.
Whenever we can come up with funny shit, because it's hard.
It is kind of hard,
Like, the best he can do is come up with these classes.
For today, hey. And there's a very good reason for that.
Tella says, good initiative. Why, thank you, Tella. We appreciate it.
Jennifer Grieving, I think.
What's it? Jennifer.
Changa.
We're gonna be pronouncing some of these names also in the Antiano form. So it's not Jennifer, it's Jennifer. Alright?
I don't even know what that means.
Ashna says, hope you like. Dankie zwa. 8.
Dankie, hope you dank. Yeah.
Don says, more please. You're welcome.
Now, this one guy, Rafael Gutierrez Aponte.
Rafael. Yeah, what do you say?
A lot. Basically, he's asking if we can do a Spanish version.
Yeah, look. We could, but it would serve no value to anyone. I mean, our Spanish is so patois, it's gonna be all like, sí, ¿cómo se dice el español? Yo no sé, no sabe. Porque cuando los tacos están muy gorditos y las enchiladas no somos del gato en los pantalones. See, it's not gonna work.
Nah, this other girl, Lila van het Hof Koster. Papimento is zeker een mooie taal. Ik waardeer het steeds meer. Goed zo.
That means Pavimento is a beautiful language and she appreciates it more and more.
Yes.
Good on you, mate.
Soail
says about the comment of Chocamata. Oh, she just says that it's funny. I don't know where I was going with that one, my bad. I'm fucking sorry. Nino says, you look like someone out of my neighborhood that moved back to the islands. Generic. Well, I feel bad for Generic then.
No, I can't even pronounce that.
Andre says, great job. Thank you.
Yeah.
Banana hecho. Like, right banana wants us to explain the word bol'anbonchi. We'll put that in a future video. Let's see what else we got.
Oh, look at this guy. Tim R. Best says Obidushi.
What an asshole, dude. Seriously.
The way he said.
It's not bad enough that he always has to take off his shirt at every occasion that he gets.
Yeah, I don't think he does.
The middle of winter and it's at a house party. Oh, it's like 1 degree warmer inside and outside. Better take off my shirt.
I like how you.
Shut up! Shut up! You know it's true.
No, it's not.
Let's see. Margareta
Nope, that's not right.
Pam says, Master. We are great. You are great. We're not great. We're average trying to do better. You're great.
You are pt1 Club Crowd Director. Love it.
That's a hell of a name.
Love you.
Naomi says, heerlijk dit. Timmy. Ze vindt jou heerlijk. Alright.
Jij bent heerlijk.
Taartje K, which means cake K. Whoa. That sounds kind of controversial. KK. Says,
Oh, okay.
nicely done and explained. Fun to watch. Where's number 2 at? Scroll to the video, son. Well, these are really old comments,
Yeah,
of course. Okay, this is from the first. So what I'm reading from the first video. So, Curacao Life, shout out. Curacao Life Urban Explorers. They say, good job. Let's support each other. We subscribe to you as well. Make sure you know that.
Bevels, did you already say that one?
No?
Bevel says, doe je on. Thank you.
Sure.
Lucy Williamson says,
Or should they just...
thank you.
Kiliana, for some reason, just put that I am from Aruba. I am actually also from Aruba. I was born there. However, I was not raised there. Angelo, of Angelo, says, awesome vid. Thank you. You beautiful, kind person, you. If you can add something, seems like there's a place in Africa where they also speak some form of Papiamentu. Well, we will go there. No, we won't. But we will find out if that's
Maybe.
true. Well, that's the first round of reading comments. We enjoy reading them. Like,
We do.
We should probably start responding to all the comments.
I respond to a lot of them.
By the way, shout out to my future cousin, sister-in-law, I guess. I don't know really what to call her.
Pablo.
My cousin's girlfriend. She sponsored us a little palm tree. Shout out to you. You know exactly who you are. I'm not gonna mention you for a case that you're a little bit shy about it, but maybe next video I'll mention you. But you know who you are. Thanks for and we need a name for him, so help us out. We need suggestions for a name. Timmy came up with
I don't know, from Pablo or
that's a fucking horrible
Jack.
name. That's a horrible.
Jack. Kieran Jack.
So if you have any suggestions for a name for the tree, let us know. And thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Remember to comment, share,
Like,
and subscribe. Share it with people. Hey, fuck it. Just, you know, that one sad person who has nothing to do with
Spread the
their
love
day.
about
Exactly.
me.
Tag them in if you are like, you deserve some attention too. And as always,
Right.
stabilize.
The boom size.
Charlie
Cruz.
Charlie Cruz. Shout out to Charlie Cruz. He knows where he's at.
Yeah.
But